Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here. I'm answering the question, is the GE Monogram range worth the money? So if you take a look at it, first thing you see is the fit and finish of this Pro range right here. You know, the great accent pieces right here on the knobs, the fact that they can drill from the collar right here, just like this. Great stuff. You know, this is a nice accent piece. It's just beautifully designed. It's built like a tank. I always say, yes, it's worth the money, but why is it worth the money? So let's dive in to the range top here itself, the top cooking surface. So when you see it, you see all these different brass caps. And I'm going to pick this up. So they put the brass on as, you know, just a statement piece and things like that. This can be removed. They have a black ring to work on to use as well. So you have a show grate and a working one, which I love. I think it's excellent. So flip this over and I go like this, and now it's actually concave. This is a built-in wok burner. So now high power BTUs, you can throw that high power wok on here and it'll sit flat in this bowl very nicely. These all have the ability to flip up, which is a nice built-in added feature. So, you know, depending on whether, you know, it's a 36 or 48-inch range, you'll have high-power BTUs, and then you'll have medium-sized burners, but they all have the dual stack system where, you know, full burners will heat up, so you'll have the industry highs and the industry lows, which is key. That's really why it's, you know, another piece that it's worth the money, because you have, you know, all this burner to pan sear something, but you have that lower heat to simmer and go. If you take the option for the griddle, and now this is a great griddle. This is 15 inches of, you know, just griddle work. So now you can pan sear, you could saute, you could make melts, you could make wraps, you could do breakfast. This is unlimited fun right here. So another added bonus. So there's all kind of fit and finish pieces along with the technology. So there's great tech in here. There's Wi-Fi enabled products. So they're always adapting it and adding it. So it can actually, like even the backlit right now, look at that. So you get that nice glow on the backlighting. So that's great, just indicators to see it's on, like even that. That's our high power BTU burner. Go to that medium, then we jump down to that low. See how that low is just heating that center cap? And then that simmers very, very low right here. So that's really a standard, the industry highs and the industry lows. Great on the cook surface. Let's jump in and we talk about the ovens. So, you know, a thing I like about these ovens are, you know, these glide racks are dark, right? You won't see them as shiny. They are easily accessible, but they are self-cleanable. So you can leave these in and they're self-cleaning as well. You talk about convection cooking, big fan convection back there. So now, you know, big oven cavity, it's gonna circulate that air around. You get all the convection recipes in here. You get the convection modes of roasting, baking to really perform. So in the oven, convection performance is key. So they did a great job on this. And I feel like rounding it out, it's really a full piece for the money. So you have the griddles, you have everything else, and you have the look and feel of luxury. So thank you so much. Hope you enjoy the video.